Hey y'all, it's Laura, and I have a kit from scrapbookingstore.com. They sent it to me to check it out and asked me if I would post some layouts using their kit on Instagram. So I thought I'd show you what I'm going to be playing with, and I may do a process video over here as well, but I will for sure post all of my layouts on Instagram, and that link's always in the description box below. This is For the Record. It's a collection from Echo Park. And it has some very interesting colors. It's got some teal, some yellow and black, lots of cream based, and then these beautiful pops of red. So that's a lot of fun. So let me show you real quick the papers and what I'm going to be playing with. And I'm really excited to be approached by a scrapbooking store to help. So it's really easy, scrapbookingstore.com. They have these collection kits every month, and you can buy past months if you like. They start, let's see, if you buy the 12-month subscription, it's only $14 a month shipped for the base kit, which is all of these papers and a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And then you can add on additional embellishments for $7 extra per month. That includes shipping. That's a great price overall for a kit, actually, and there's a lot of paper in this kit, which I love. And it's a pretty good deal. If you buy them one off, it's $17.99 and then $7 additional for the add-on embellishments. So let me show you real quick what the papers look like. We've got this one, which has lots of borders. There's some green hexagons on the back of that one. And we've got this beautiful, almost snowflake-like paper. Really like this one a lot, with a yellow gingham on the other side. Have this one, which would be fab to cut off a border of. I really like that idea. With a red, almost poinsettia design on the other side. This one is kind of a damask. It's a teal and cream. The other side is a 6x6 cut apart, which is kind of cool. Then we have a yellow, and it's got this kind of a circular design. And this side, which I love so much. This is so beautiful. Really like this side. Then there's a green with kind of a fancy pattern. And then another 6x6 cut apart with some of the other papers in the collection. This one that's almost a gear shape. So that's kind of cool. And then we've got a green ledger paper on the other side. Some of them do have some distressing already on them, which is kind of cool. This one is kind of a newsprint advertisement style paper. It looks like it might be German would be my guess, but I could be totally wrong. And then a black and cream spot, which is beautiful. This gorgeous floral. I love this paper. Look at that red. Oh, beautiful. So this one, some of these are going to get fussy cut out. I can promise you that. And then a beautiful red and cream polka dot. This is the front page, but it also has a cut apart on the back, which I think is a brilliant, brilliant idea. And I love that Echo Park does that. Then we have this beautiful floral right here, which has some little cream and black flowers in there. It's a blue, red, yellow. And then this blue, and again, more of that kind of, this one's almost like a star. Very, very cool. Nice light blue. Then this beautiful black with kind of a damask pattern. That's beautiful. And a text paper. This looks like it's from maybe copied out of an old phone book or something. It's very cool. I love good text paper. So those papers and this 12 by 12 sticker sheet are what come in the August kit. And I love the big florals. Love this design right here. That's pretty fab. It comes with tabs and labels and lots of different things, some border strips. So this is very versatile. I think that's great for a kit, especially if you have a lot of supplies already. getting something like this is nice because you can add in anything you already have and really use up your stash. So I think that's a great idea. But if you'd like to add on, they do have an add-on embellishment kit. And this one for August includes Studio Calico, these kind of smoky, I call them smoky because they're kind of gray-brown. And they look really nice with the papers. It's an alpha. And then we have these Heidi Swapp labels. I did take everything out of the packaging so you didn't have to hear that rustling. So these beautiful labels from Heidi Swapp. And then the One Canoe 2 Twilight collection. Or not Twilight. And then the One Canoe 2 Creekside collection. So you have lots of beautiful ephemera pieces to play with, lots of frames, backpack, very nature themed, which One Canoe 2 is usually, they usually do that. We got some tags, we've got florals, got some really cool tree stumps. Those are really cool. And just a canoe, wander, lots of fun pieces in here. Some more florals and leaves. More florals and leaves. I like florals. Some titles. We've got adventure and explore. A couple of canoe paddles and a lantern. Take a hike. Oh, and some plus signs. Lots of plus signs. Got a heart and a star and a banner. Another banner. Little canteen type thing. Another frame. Lots of beautiful pieces in this ephemera pack. There's so much in here. So this is a fantastic kit. You guys should definitely check it out if you are interested. Their kits are very different month to month. I would not say that this is exactly the style of them every month. They are very different. July's was a summer-based one. And I also saw that they had an authentique kit. They also have used My Mind's Eye. I think it was Good Vibes was one of their past kits. So they have a pretty good variety of kits, and they all seem to stay in the same line, which I personally love. I love working from collections, so that's very, very cool. Thanks so much for joining me, guys. If you want to check these folks out, they are scrapbookingstore.com, and I wanted to say thank you and much appreciated that they would send me this to play with. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Bye!